Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily update Facebook app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments under this video. And let's get down to our topic. So friends, in order to update the Facebook app, you will need to open the App Store app on your iPhone. And then you will need to go to the search bar and type in the word Facebook to find it. When you find Facebook, click on it. And here where I have the word open, you will have the word update. You'll just have to click on the word refresh pause and wait for the update to finish. You'll be told right away how long it will take approximately. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once you have updated the app, you can also either from the App Store go to the already updated Facebook or close the App Store app and go to Facebook from your desktop. That's how you can quickly and easily update the Facebook app on your iPhone, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.